See if we can polish that up a little bit. Hey everyone, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. Yesterday I had a thing happen with one of my colonies. Today it's 60 degrees, so I'm gonna get back in that colony and see if I can find the queen. And you know, hopefully they didn't kill her after what I did yesterday, but we're gonna find out together today. So give me a few seconds to get suited up and we'll get into it. Thanks. Okay, so this colony here, the one with the Boardman feeder on it, had some wonky boxes, so I swapped the frames out yesterday to new boxes. I set the inner cover on that one. I set the top empty box on this box and started moving frames. Well, I saw her on a frame and I put her in there and everything was good. I put it back together after swapping it out and came out a bit later, and there was a bunch of bees with the queen on top of this hive here. So today we're going to check and see this box. Hold on. We're going to check that box together and see how she's doing. So all right, what do we got going on over here? So as expected, clusters in the top, bees right there, looking good. And they're probably not going to be really happy with me. Here's a beetle. Go ahead and dispatch that beetle. Make sure there's no queen on the top here. It's looking pretty good though. We're gonna just set it right there. And as expected, we've got a nice cluster up top, and we'll start checking to see if we can find her. And we'll start on this side over here. She's probably not on this outside. Let's see if I can do this without making them all mad. All right, we just got some stores and nectar. No queen. She was unmarked. So I'm just going to set that over here off to the side, because I'm just looking for her. That's the whole goal. Make sure she's fine. Some combs, some bees, looking good. More nectar on the outside. Gonna move them out. Now this is the third frame in. Nice and heavy frame of stores. Look at that capped honey. Nice frame of capped honey there. And don't expect to see her out here. Doesn't mean she's not, just don't expect to see her. Do you see one beetle? I've got a beetle trap in here, so we're gonna roll with that. All right, so now this is frame 4. Capped honey on the side towards me, and let's see, doing a little waggle dance right there. Looks like they got some pollen or pollen sub, and not much brood or anything out there. So should start to see her. She was in this side over here yesterday. Beautiful, nice frame of brood. And hatching brood. They look good though, so far. Just need to find us a queen. There she is, right there. Yep. So there's a queen, and that's all I wanted to find. Make sure we had a queen here. She's still walking around and doing her thing, so that's good. That's what we wanted. So this colony has averted disaster. I have averted disaster on this colony. Beautiful. So the real question is, why was there another queen? Or why was there a queen? So that's a good thing. They have plenty of stores still. Looking good. So we're just going to pop this right back together. And that looks pretty good. So we were able to avert crisis on that colony. So I'm excited about it. So anyway, guys, I know it's a short video. 60 degrees here today. Appreciate all you guys. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode of Walker Bee Ranch. Thank you.